In today's video, we'll be efficiently bridging two data analytics worlds with BigQuery and Bigtable in Google Cloud. Get ready to turn off those ETL pipelines and complex analytics engines. BigQuery data federation through Bigtable is particularly surprising due to the simple fact that even though Bigtable is NoSQL, we can defy these rules by querying and processing its data using a structured query language in BigQuery. To kickstart the demonstration of this concept, we've prepared a data seeding script to import some sample data into Bigtable. We'll guide you through each step of the setup, but don't worry if you miss something. All the relevant code and diagram files are provided in the video description below. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss out on a learning opportunity. To kickstart, we will navigate to the Bigtable product page in our new project. After the API is ready, we can march ahead to create an instance and name it. For a minimalist and low-cost design, we're utilizing a solitary fixed node and are deliberately bypassing any instance replication. Our data seeding script loads sample data about rivers, featuring attributes like water level and temperature. Consequently, these records get injected into Bigtable, summing up to 100 rows. Upon executing the seeding script and confirming the successful data load, we can usher in the analytics mechanisms in BigQuery. Let's make a move to that product page and stand up a new dataset for this task. In our query editor, we'll create the external table. We can bring in an example from the Google Cloud documentation to expedite the SQL drafting. A required step is providing a Bigtable schema in JSON format. Despite this data store not being relational, we're creating some structure via a schema to specify how we'll use Bigtable in our queries. You only need to include the column families and columns that you'll actually be using in queries. Our selected column family ID is river data, and each column requires a field name and type. With everything now nicely in place, we can do all sorts of standard BigQuery analyzing, joining, and processing. We'll keep an eye on the comment section for any questions and want to thank you for watching. Please enjoy responsibly.